When it comes to choosing a property investment location, most people look at price trends, vacancy rates maybe, or nearby infrastructure, if you're lucky. But one of the most powerful and often overlooked tools in your location research kit is demographic data. Are you ready to make smarter property investments decisions? I am Kate Hill, qualified property investment advisor, and I am here to help you cut through all the noise with some honest, no hype advice. If you want real strategies, real tips, zero fluff, you are in the right place. So today, let us have a look at what demographics can tell you about the future of a suburb. Okay, so age brackets, household type, income levels, household size, even education statistics give you a deep insight into how a suburb is evolving and whether it's likely to grow in value. So let's break down what demographics can really tell you about the future of a suburb and how to use this information to make better property investment choices. So why do demographics matter in property investing, right? People drive property demand. Property markets don't move because of buildings, they move because of people. Who is living in a suburb? How many? Who's moving in? For how long? Why? How are their needs all changing? This all shapes what kind of property will perform best. When you understand the demographic direction of a suburb, you can predict what it might look like in 5, 10, even 15 and 20 years' time. That foresight helps you buy the right property in the right street at the right time. So what are some of those key demographic signals to watch? The first one would be age profile. A growing population of young families often means demand for houses with yards, gardens, parks, schools. On the flip side, areas with an aging population might see more demand for that downsizer-friendly home or units near services. Income levels. So rising median incomes are a strong indicator of gentrification and economic uplift in the area. It also hints at the suburb's capacity to support higher rents or premium property values. You have education and employment. High education levels and white-collar job clusters often attract professionals looking for quality housing. So these renters are buyers. They are typically long-term, stable, willing to pay for more for the right location. Household structure. A decrease in couples, families with children might suggest demand for 3 or 4 bedroom homes will lessen. A high percentage of single-person households will favour townhouses or apartments near amenities. Have a look at my other videos about this. Our household structure is changing in Australia. You really need to know this. So how do you use this data in real life and spot the up and coming areas? Look for suburbs where incomes are rising faster than surrounding areas, or where younger, more affluent demographics are starting to replace older, lower income populations. This demographic churn, if you like, is often a sign that the suburb is on the brink of transformation. Match property type to demographic need. I can't tell you how important this is. Don't just buy what's available or what's cheap. You need to buy what's in demand. It's common sense, right? But it baffles me how many people don't look at this. If a suburb is full of retirees, then A, would you want to buy there? But high maintenance houses won't perform. If it's full of families, a compact 1-bedroom unit will not attract renters or buyers. So where do you find all this demographic data? The ABS census data, local government tools are your place. Start with the Australian Bureau of Statistics and the local council websites. Tools like ID Community, microburbs, they break the data down in easy to read formats. Property research platforms often overlay this with market data for a fuller picture. Why do the demographic heavy lifting? So at Adviseable, demographic analysis is all part of our 10-step location selection system. We crunch the numbers for you. We explain what they mean in plain English so that you can invest in confidence, not guesswork. So read the people and predict the performance. Understanding suburb demographics gives you a powerful edge. So rather than relying on hype or instinct, if you have that, you can use cold, hard data to find locations where people actually want to live now and in the future. And who are they? And when people want to live there, values follow. It's really that simple. If you're ready to take the guesswork out of property investing, I would really love to help you. Whether you're figuring out where to buy, you can do that through our Property Pathway service, or if you are ready to create a tailored new build investment, we'll guide you every step of the way, independently and transparently, and with your goals always at the center. I know it's tricky out there, and I would really love to help you find your next great property investment. You can learn a lot more at the website, adviseable.com.au. As always, everybody, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I hope you're enjoying all the free content, and I'll chat to you soon. Bye.